Hi, I'm Alex with Trade Show Internet, and today we'll review the easy 2-minute setup process of our 5G Internet kit. When you receive your rental package, open the box, remove the case, and set aside the box to reuse for your return shipment. Find an open, unobstructed location to set up your kit. A shelf or tabletop will work great. Just don't put it inside a metal cabinet or next to any large metal objects that could interfere with the wireless signal. Open the case by unlocking 2 latches, one on each side of the handle. Inside, you will find a return shipping label. You can attach it to the shipping box now so that it doesn't go missing later. A quick start guide, your quality control card that will let you know the last time we tested your equipment, and a paper clip. Most importantly, you will find our cradle point router with a power adapter already plugged in, and a network cable. Remove the router and position the antennas vertically so they're all pointing up. Ensure that the on and off switch located underneath the antennas is in the on position. Plug the power adapter into a standard electrical outlet. The router's lights will turn on. Wait about 2 minutes as the router scans the Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile cellular networks and selects the best 5G signal. Once connected to the internet, the large horizontal LED light strip across the front of the router will display a solid white light. There are 2 ways to connect to the router's Wi-Fi network. If your smartphone or tablet supports QR codes, open the built-in camera app, scan the QR code printed on the router's label, then tap the notification banner to join the network. Otherwise, open your device's Wi-Fi utility, select the network name printed on the router's label, and type in the password. For hardwired connections, connect the network cable to any of the 4 black LAN ports on the router. Connect the other side of the cable to the Ethernet port on your device. You can connect up to 4 devices in this manner. If you experience slow speeds less than 1 megabit per second or have any other support issues, please call us at 866-385-1504, option number 3. Our support engineers have remote access to our routers. We can remotely select a different 5G carrier if necessary and make any other configuration changes to optimize your experience. Good luck with your event, and please continue watching to see the striking process. To return your rental equipment, first unplug the router from the electrical outlet and fold the antennas flat. Place the network cable, power adapter, the router, and the quick start guide back into its case. Close and lock the latches. Place the case back into the cardboard box to protect the case for shipping. Ensure that the prepaid FedEx ground shipping label is affixed to the box and seal the box. You can drop off the box at any FedEx retail location. Many hotels and convention centers now have a FedEx store on property. Otherwise, you can call FedEx at 800-463-3339 to schedule a FedEx ground pickup from your home or office. We recommend you don't leave the package at your hotel's front desk or with any other third party, since many returns have been delayed or lost this way. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and contact us if you have any internet or Wi-Fi needs for your next event.